you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Let me tell you something. I couldn't really sleep last night because I kept going over and over that whole debacle thing with the Raising Cane's and how disappointed I was. And I was thinking, how can I recreate that cheaper and tastier? Well, first I started with the sauce. Then I tried the chicken and came out with a good one. Now the first one, I burned. But this one, oh my goodness. I'm gonna show you how I did it. Let's go. First I started with the sauce. I didn't record it and I wish I did, but I'm gonna show you how I made it, okay? I'm gonna make a little more, and then I'm gonna fry another chicken tender that I made. So, let me show you what I did. All right, here's everything I used. Now, to make that sauce, I used some mayo, some garlic powder, some ketchup, some honey, and some red chili flakes. Do not worry about the red chili flakes. The honey cancels out the heat. Yes, it turns it down, way down. For the chicken, I used some ground chicken, which is cheaper. Then I put in half a cup of hot sauce, excuse me, some chopped up cooked green peppers. I just sauteed them till they were soft. I mixed it all up with a little bit of, what do you call that? The white cheese with the peppers in it. Pepper jack cheese. Yes. Now, you do not have to use, I made them buffalo style. You don't have to do that. You can just use plain ground chicken. For the spices, I did a salt-free seasoning, which is more like a lemon pepper, so you know what that is. It's like a lemon pepper, okay? I used some oregano. I used some garlic, some black pepper, and a very light sprinkle of seasoned salt. I know I usually don't cook with salt, but a little bit. I mean a little bit, a dusting of it, okay? Now, I'm going to show you how I threw that sauce together. This sauce is so easy. I took my honey chili sauce and made it into a garlic and mayo chili sauce, a creamy version. Just like the one they did. This is the one I did earlier. Now, I put chopped garlic in this one, but just to speed things up for you guys, I'm going to do it simpler. I put in about almost a tablespoon of mayo. I put in an equal part of honey. And just a little bit less of ketchup. And I put in a teaspoon of red chili flakes. And a good teaspoon, at least, of garlic. Now we're going to mix this around so everything is incorporated. See? It's turning into the sauce already. Taste test. Yep. Oh yeah. Now, for that wonderful coating, I took 1/2 flour, 1/2 cornmeal. Okay? Salt-free lemon pepper seasoning, and I went right over top. About a teaspoon. Same with the oregano. good teaspoon and a half of black pepper, and a light dusting of some seasoned salt. Your choice. You see that? What I did? That was a light dusting. We're going to mix this together. We're going to take some of our ground chicken, roll it together in your hands like this, make a tube, like a finger. Roll it in there, make sure it's covered real good. The thinner you make them, the quicker they cook. Don't make them real thick. Otherwise, they're going to be cooked on the outside, raw on the inside. Oh, look, mine turned out like a cheese stick. All right, now we're going to go to the hot grease. Then we're going to put him in. Just till it's golden brown. Yes, I'm going to break it open. Ooh. You can see how hot that is on the inside. It only take a minute. The sauce. Flavorful. Tender. Delicious. Now, I didn't make the french fries or the coleslaw because I figured y'all know how to do that. But yeah, you can make this at home. And much cheaper with the ground chicken. Like, comment, subscribe. Pass me around. I want to try to get as many subscribers as I can, okay? I need help because I got to deliver food to a lot of people. So, also, write to me and let me know if you want to do some more food reviews and some more recreations of things. And see if I can recreate them with stuff I get from the food pantry. But guess what tomorrow is? Two things. It is budget day and grocery haul day, which will be followed by food pantry haul day. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.